turns a messy sheet of numbers into a clear picture of your organization's talent, who's excelling, who needs help, and where your next HR conversation should start.
Think of your performance log as the place where all the real stories of your employees live, who's growing, who's struggling, and who's quietly becoming a star. But when you're looking at a sheet full of numbers, it's not always obvious what those stories are.
So here's what AI helps you do in the simplest possible way. You start with 3 columns, Q1, Q2, and Q3 ratings. Each rating is between 1 and 5, pretty standard. But instead of manually calculating anything, you ask AI to calculate the average rating per employee. Suddenly, every row has a clear, single number that tells you how that person performed across the year so far. Now here's where it gets interesting. AI identifies your top 10% performers, the people with an average above 4.5. These are your promotion candidates, your high-potential employees, the ones you want to recognize before someone else hires them. Then it identifies your PIP candidates, anyone scoring below 2.5 in any 2 consecutive quarters. These are the employees who need support, coaching, documentation, and a clear improvement plan. And AI doesn't just list them, it flags their entire row in red and bold, so you can't miss them. This is exactly the insight you need. Right after the review cycle, before calibration meetings, before making promotion decisions, because instead of debating opinions, you're looking at clean, objective data. And the best part? You can run this in Claude if you want to anonymize the data, or in Copilot if you're working with real employee information. Either way, you get a performance snapshot that is accurate, fair, and ready for decision-making. It turns a messy sheet of numbers into a clear picture of your organization's talent, who's excelling, who needs help, and where your next HR conversation should start.